This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby.lawrence. Beautifully maintained home located across from lovely park setting, giving you access to the Lafayette River. Oak floors on both floors. LG. Added family room. Replaced vinyl windows. Spacious bedrooms and closets. Home gets lots of light. Architectural roof. Fully fenced backyard for the kids and pets. Enjoy neighborhood children's park. Close proximity to shopping, naval bases, beaches, coffee houses, interstate access. For more information, review the details below.